Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can save audio on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to show you like how you can basically favorite them. If you want to like find out how to export just the audio only, I have like 2 videos on this channel about it, so make sure you look that up. So I'm going to just select audio here, and to favorite a song or like an audio, just select the star button here. For instance, I want to save this one and also this one, and then if I go up here, it's going to be like shown like at the very top, so you don't have to scroll all the way down to find the song. For instance, I want to save this one. I'm just going to favorite it, and if I scroll up, the song will be here. You can also do it with sound effects too. For instance, I'm just going to save this one and I'm going to scroll down and I want to save this one. If I scroll up, the audio will be here. You can also search the song name and artists and also sound effects here if you want to, which I think CapCut should have that for effects, so it's easier. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!